Definitely just got the coolest drone shot I've ever gotten by far. It's so cool. What is going on today, everybody? Hope you're having a fantastic day. So sorry about kind of the lack of videos lately. It's been a little bit difficult lining up everybody's schedules the past couple weekends, but we are back. We're here in Sicamous today at Subway and just picking up some lunch. Gonna be heading out to Revelstoke direction. We're riding Joss Mountain today, which is the same area as we rode last video. So really cool area, pretty excited. Should be a good time. It's really cold outside. It's like minus 10 Celsius. So I'm gonna try and stay warm today, but yeah, let's get going. Guys, thanks to my radio, it sounds like my truck is a turbo. Listen to this. Parking job on point. Hardly needed the ramp. It's fantastic.
We got her fixed.
So that side goes. This side went.
Oh, so it was locked.
So
It was locked.
it was locked. Okay.
That's
Cool.
what the problem was.
It was locked.
It's self-locked, and even though we locked
One
and unlocked
screwdriver
it,
down, but we opened it.
That's all good.
that's really frustrating.
We're good to go. Tailgate was stuck shut and we couldn't get it open for like 15 minutes. But we good. So we're about 2 kilometers or 1.5 kilometers from the truck. And you gotta watch out for those creeks. They like to eat your snowmobiles. We're getting her.
Did I?
Okay, so some idiot forgot to hit record, but it's out. It's right there. Oh dear. Okay, let's keep going. We're gonna try getting to the top of the hill here, get the drone out, get some wicked shots. In the meantime, I think I'm gonna get the GoPro out and do some carving up this bull here, and it's just gonna be epic. So here we go. These guys.
Hey, baby.
All right, so kind of game plan right now is see if we can drop into this valley here, because up in that area is actually where we originally start when we're in this area. So we kind of did a big loop around out to there, and then we came around to here, and then so we're kind of just doing a huge loop. That, we believe, is the backside of the hill that I filmed in the last video the helicopter was landing on. So we are completely on the other side of the hill from it, and if you look, you can actually see ski tracks in the trees all the way down. And I think, yeah, those are snowmobile tracks going straight up the middle of all of them. So I think that's kind of what we're gonna try and do. So
That's a good sign.
we were sitting on top of that hill there, just last clip there when I was talking about the game plan. So we managed to kind of wrap around the backside over into here and then drop down to where we are now. So in front of us we have some trees like this. There's a little bit of a valley in there that we're not sure about. And then it turns to open burn area. So once we get into there, I think we should be able to navigate pretty good. And yeah. Hey, how's it going? Okay, so we tried kind of poking into the trees there, and we were kind of right in saying that ravine was a little too gnarly. So getting through there, getting a little fatigued too, so that's not helping anything. But yeah, so we're back in this kind of meadow. We are going to head back up the way we came down. Yeah, buddy. It's a good view. We are we're at the top of the kind of the most of the hill climbs. It's pretty mellow climbing up out the rest of the way, so all the gnarly stuff is over with. So we decided to have a little break, catch our breath, and yeah, enjoy some view. I think it's got to be like 20 after 4. Yeah, so it's getting later in the day. It's crazy. Staying light a lot longer now, but I think we're gonna start moseying our way back in the direction we need to be. We're still kind of on the wrong side of the mountain from where we get out of here, so we've got a little ways to go, but should be good. So. out. It is 20 after 6 right now, and I've got quite a drive ahead of me to get home, but it's all good. If you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. I apologize if it's kind of shaky, the road's a little rough. Thank you so much for watching, you're awesome. And yeah, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, all that stuff. And yeah, what an incredible day. But yeah, future videos coming out soon, hopefully. Hoping to go riding in a week again here, so hopefully that'll be the biggest gap in videos this season, but we'll see. But anyway, I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Subscribe.